G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here and welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. I was driving around scouting the area for more car washes and I came across this one and I thought I wanted to show you guys because it's very unique. I've never even seen one like this and it's kind of weird. So let me show you the layout of this car wash and I got nothing else to say about it. It's going to speak for itself. So first of all, it's on a one-way street. It's a cute little town, Azusa. You got a school up there, so it's somewhat of a busy area. You got houses all surrounding the car washes. You literally got a house right there, right next door. And it's almost like this should have been a house. But for some reason, they decided to put a self-serve car wash here. So you can see that I think it's a 4-bay. This is 1 bay. And it feels like I'm at the beach because this is all sand. It's all sand in the bay, probably mud that's just dry, but obviously. But for some reason it looks like it's been there for a long time. You can see they got the 2 hoses, the brush. Look at the brush, look at the brush. Beautiful. And you got the gun, so you got the gun and the brush with the tangled hoses. You got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-function rotary switch, but they only have 4 functions working, hopefully. Hey, look at me, 10 cents richer. Oh, 25 cents, that's 35 cents richer. Here's the front door. Welcome home. So this is another bay apparently that's blocked off because it's got the cone. Hey everybody. So this bay's down, but it's tandem back-to-back bays. So you can spray the other customer, have some battle going on, but the boom's pretty much gone, hoses are gone. So let's check out the other 2 bays, I'm guessing. And then you got 2 more tandem bays here. All beat up, 4 functions, 2 hoses. Oh, you got the bill changer here, so that's like kind of right there. Looks like we just had a customer. We had footprints, we got a wet bay, we got mud. Oh, look at that. What a shame. What a complete shame. Tweety Owen's birthday. Happy birthday, Tweety. So this is messed up. Keep in mind it's Saturday. It's a very beautiful sunny Saturday. And a couple of bays are wet, so I'm guessing they had a few customers. But I'm excited to try this car wash out and see how the functions work. Well, you got the meter box right there in the bay. I guess that's always a good idea to have around spraying water. And then over here we have the vending machines. Pretty standard, $1.50, okay. Got a cheaper option, 75 cents, $1.50. It's getting up there a little bit. So it's a 3-bay because 1 is down. But let's check this thing out. Oh, well, let's check out the vacuum area. So I don't know about you guys, but this is very unique. I think I've seen one similar to this before I started filming. So I obviously didn't film it, but very unique, very unique. Like I said, I'm surrounded by houses right now. Look at all these houses. You got an alleyway right here with the garages and feels weird. Here's one vacuum. Obviously, it's gonna say out of order. Esta. I'm guessing that's out of order in Spanish. Missing the nozzle, so yep, that's out of order. We got a mini-me bin right there. I feel like I'm just being watched by everyone outside the windows. We got another mini-me trash bin. No service, doesn't work. And then another vacuum over here, which the hose is out, it's all beat up. And it's literally right next to a garage right there. So you got nice graffiti, beautiful, sunny love, blah, blah, blah. Oh, look at these. You got the mat holders on the back wall. And this is the alleyway, which I'm talking about. You got some nice oranges over there. So yep, that's the alleyway. If someone lived right there and their bed was there and the vacuum's right there, that's like 3 feet away. Good luck sleeping. Couple of cars that have been parked there for a long time because they're covered in leaves. But let's go ahead and put some money in the bill changer, see see what's going on with the bill changer. I think we're gonna put in 5. All right, so $5 going in. Let's see if it works that way. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna give me anything. Hallelujah. There we go. Should be 16 quarters there. I'm not gonna bother counting it. All right, let's go start this thing up and test it out. So I'm curious on what you guys' thoughts are on how much you think this car wash makes per week. So if you own this car wash, not if you own this car wash, but how much do you think this car wash makes on a weekly basis? Keep it in mind, I'm guessing hardly anything works. It's a beautiful sunny Saturday and there's no customers. So my guess, I don't even know how much it is. We're about to find out how much it is, but I don't know, $500 a week, if that. Let's check it out. All right, so it says, please deposit $2.25. Look at them getting the extra quarter. $2.25. Here we go. 75. $1. $1.75. Whoa! I can't count. And here we go. So $2.25 gives you 4 minutes and 30 seconds. These guys need some help, so let me give them some more quarters towards their busyness. That's good enough. So high pressure soap. Water has started, so that's a good sign. Try and untangle these hoses here. All right, there we go, untangled. Very, very weak pressure. So that's the high pressure soap. And you can see I'm pretty much in the sand at the beach. But this is high pressure soap. It's not high pressure and there's no soap. So it's basically just low pressure water. And probably feels about 600, maybe 700 PSI. My tires are gonna come out nice and dirty thanks to all this sand. You can see how dirty they are already. Thanks a lot. So high pressure soap is a negative. Yante. All right, let's switch it out to, I mean, high pressure rinse is just rinse, but it's not high pressure at all. So low pressure rinse. Let's test out this foam brush. Very awkward, trying to hold that. Whoa! We have action, look at this. Okay, so you put that back, that goes there. The compressor's going off, so that comes over here and it just gets tangled. So this is terrible design. Anyway, we have soap coming out. Look at this, oh my God. Wow. Settle down there, don't get too carried away now. All right, so let's get that. So it's loose, first of all. I'll tighten that up for him. And then just to put that on the car like that, I mean, there's soap coming out, yes. Looks like they've been having their fiber lies. So I can feel the very loose. Again, trying to film with one hand is very difficult, but I guess you can just spray it on like a pre-soak. There we go. I mean, I don't get it. Why not just pay $70, get the nice hog's hair brush head, and just make it nice? That's $70. Put it on the rinse and rinse it off. So there we go, we have the low pressure rinse. It would be alright if it was spot free, but it's not, it's just the rinse. And there you go. And that's as good as this car wash is getting. I guess my truck will be dirtier than when I left, especially the tires. So just to wrap this car wash up, it has a low pressure water, low pressure rinse, and it has that foam brush, which is kind of just spraying out like a pre-soak, and the brush head's falling off, and it's a pretty filthy brush head. I don't know why they choose that. Spend an extra couple of bucks, get the nice hog's hair one, adjust it so it comes out nice and foamy, and that's it. It's very, very simple. It's not going to take much, but I guess the owner just doesn't know, they don't care. Hopefully they're watching this so they can contact me and maybe we can do a deal. It's an interesting car wash. It would have to be a very good deal for me to do it, because tandem bays, one here, one there, just don't feel it. I don't like it, because if there was someone else washing right here, then they're spraying all their stuff over me. I'm getting wet, I'm done with it. It's windy, a little wind right now. It's gonna blow the water all over you, and it might cause a few arguments. Plus, I don't really like having houses right next to my car wash. Might be good for security purposes. People are less likely to break in because they think there's someone right there. But the whole noise issue, the people come here at nighttime, they play loud music, they don't consider others. The vacuums are right there, so I wouldn't be surprised if the city is making this car wash hour. It has to close from the hours from like 10 at night and open up at 7 in the morning or something like that. But that's what they usually do a lot of the times when neighbors complain, if there's a vacuum like 10 feet away from the house. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's the case with this one. But again, even if it is open, I don't think anyone's coming here. It's Saturday, like I've said 3 times. It's beautiful and sunny, like you can see. And there's no one here except for me. And I think I know why that's the case. I think I know why no one's here. Because of this. That's why no one's here. Because the pressure is low. Because it's dirty, there's mud all over the ground. Because there's no other options. The high pressure soap doesn't work. I didn't try the wax, but I wouldn't count my chickens on that one working. So essentially, there's low pressure water and a soap brush. So who's gonna come here and spend $2.25 for 4 and a bit minutes and just waste their money, waste their time, when there's another nice car wash working very well about 2 miles away, if that. So they're gonna pass this one, they're gonna go to the nice working one, because this one just sucks. This was an unplanned video. Like I said, I was driving around scouting and I just had to show you guys this car wash. I would have been doing you guys a disservice if I didn't show you guys, because I found it fascinating. It's interesting. They're doing many things wrong here. And like I said, if the owner is watching this, reach out to me. Customer pulling in. Don't use that bay, the brush head's gone. All right, let me get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Hope you enjoyed. Dragging all this mud in my truck.